I like smoked cheese. It's really delicious. But if you do one trick, if you throw it on the frying pan, then it will become extremely delicious smoked cheese. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will make salad with smoked cheese. But first, allow me to introduce all components that we need to make this fantastic salad. Heat up the frying pan. We need 2 slices like this, 1 centimeter. Okay, el chizo is ready. Now let it rest 10-15 minutes. Add to your salad when it's cold. Salt, pepper,